What's up guys, it's me Lucy, and today I'm going to be showing you some of my new updated paper squishies that I added recently to my collection. I did do a video a few months back. It was a couple of days after Christmas, and I haven't uploaded in a really long time. But yeah, before I start this video, make sure to like and subscribe down below and comment on what you think I should do next. So let's get started. So my first squishy, so I packaged these up. It was pretty easy. So here's the kawaii banana, and I'll take it out of the packaging. So show you better. So it's pretty. I wasn't like expecting it to be like this kind of really squishy, so it's not that squishy. It's pretty just airy. And yeah, so this was like the first recently added one. So yeah. You know what, I'm just gonna pop that there. So my next paper squishy that I made was the really popular panda egg. I won't take it out of the packaging because it's pretty hard to get in there, but I put little
trademark
stuff at the back. And yeah, I put little kawaii factory on it. I just wanted, and I put a little sign over there. It's like, you can't really see it, but it says kawaii factory. Yeah, so my next recently added, the third one, the next recently added paper squishy was the Moo Moo milk. I don't even think this is a real squishy. But yeah, I just decided to make it Moo Moo milk. So it's got like a little cute kawaii face. Super duper cute. It's got like a little cow there. You can see it. And yeah, it's also got the kawaii factory symbol on it. So yeah. And my last one, I just showed you 4 today. Yeah. Here's the iBloom peach. I literally just made this one, so it's pretty new. And I was gonna try and make the cat ice cream, so there's a little cat on the back, but that didn't work, so I just made an iBloom peach. And it also has the kawaii factory on it. So here are all the squishies. So, what should I get? Oh, I really want to get some new jumbo squishies. I'll order from the kawaii factory. Let's go to the phone. Hello. Yes, I'd like to order 4 jumbo squishies. No extras, please. I do not like extras for some reason. But yes, I want the jumbo banana, iBloom jumbo peach, the jumbo Moo Moo milk, and the jumbo panda egg. Thank you. Oh, looks like we just got an order in. Okay, here's all the squishies. One of them's unpackaged. Whatever. Just bring them along. Ding dong. Hello. These are all of your squishies you ordered. Thank you. That's such a fast delivery. Goodbye. Squishies. Card. So thank you for watching this video. If you clicked on it, and yeah, as I said at the start of the video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what you think I should do next. My dog is literally under the table Sam, look at the camera. No. I think I'm more attractive. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye!